Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will be looking how to install libraries to Proteus 8.6. Let's jump into the video. I have given the link of the library in the description below. Please download it. After downloading it, you can find that file in your downloads. It will look like this. You will have most of the essential library which you need to build your project. You can see the important libraries such as GSM, Bluetooth, IR and so on. So copy everything inside this folder. Go to C drive and find Proteus library file as given in the video. In this library file, paste all the copied files. Next, now you can go to the Proteus and access all your files, all your new library files. Here you can see the installed libraries such as IR obstacle sensor, GSM module, Bluetooth, rain sensor and so on. So I hope this video was helpful, and let's look forward for new videos. Thank you.